wish I was lies. Wish I was never alive, wish I was never on yard. Yeah. What you all about the thing? Let me illustrate some. I'm Rapsy. Last week I had an appointment with my dog, and he told me I'm quite infected. That's why this flow is injected. It's more like an injection, cause it brings life. Rhymes I've manifested. Yeah, I was patient, waited my time. Now I'm ahead of my time. I hate this rule up on down. Penmanship really deserve repayment fee. Come on, haven't I paid my fees with my rap sheets? And all for what? Just for me to forfeit. I never forfeit. I've already fallen so deep. I've already fallen so deep. And this shit is so deep. Cause I'm the first son on my siblings.